What's good, you guys? Megan here from the Creator OS team. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys A to Z how to get your entire social media presence set up on Creator OS, specifically on the web app. And what you're seeing on this browser is my own account, and I'm running my client through this platform. And what I'm going to show you guys is how to get set up like this. And then we're going to show you all of the features so that you know exactly how to use Creator OS from day one. And the reason why we're so excited over at Creator OS is because we are the world's first social media agentic platform, meaning you can give Cloud Code or Chat GPT access to all of your social media platforms and all of the skills that we've designed for Creator OS through our agent called Kairos. But for you guys to access that agent and all its capabilities, you first got to get set up. So this is why this video is very important for us to film. So step one, just choose any email or use your Apple ID to sign in. And there's cross-compatibility, so you're going to be able to use this sign-in for both the web and the mobile app that we have on the App Store. So once you guys do sign up, we're going to run you through an onboarding form, and this allows our database to get all of the initial information that we think is going to be very beneficial for you in your journey on Creator OS. So we're going to get your goals, we're going to get your preferences of what time you like to post, and you can even send you push notifications through the iPhone to actually let you know whether or not you've skipped a couple of days posting and stuff like that, as well as all the features that are associated to the app, which I'm going to go through a little bit more in depth today. So I'm going to skim over this really quickly, as well as what just launched today is our Creator University. So every single member and every single user that's inside of Creator OS is going to get invited to our Creator University because as cool as Kairos is and as powerful as AI automations are, we've been in the space for quite a while, and we know how difficult the learning curve may be. So we're giving you guys a free lifetime access to our Creator University, which is going to teach you step by step how we actually use AI to build these really powerful automations. And in this way, I think you guys are going to learn everything that we've been building for the past 3 years, but only like a couple weeks. So it's very exciting. Now, if you're a content creator, that means you're just going to be connecting your own socials. So that's where you want to choose the solo creators, and our pricing starts at $14.99. And for agencies, either 5 sets of socials, which can be up to 35 connected social accounts, or 70 connected socials, which means one AI agent can operate 70 social media accounts at the same time for $99 a month. Now, guys, the moment that you make your payments, we're going to be granting you a membership access to your own Creator OS dashboard, and it may be empty. And all you have to do is head over to the left-hand side on the dash, connect button, and that'll allow you to connect to all of our social networks. Once you do that, the entire platform is going to be registered. And that's going to allow me to now go in a little bit of a deep dive and show you guys all of the best features that I love that the web app has that the mobile app may not have yet. So starting off with the dashboard, guys, we have 3 heat maps as well as 3 separate goals that you're going to be able to set for your social media profiles. So typically, people are either trying to grow with consistency, grow with their total view counts, or grow with their follower growth in general. And what we allow users to do is we allow them to set goals, and then we have agents that are running analytic reports to actually see whether or not you're on pace to hit the goal. And so as we can see here on the posting heat map, for my client to count, she set her posting goal to be 3,500 posts on social media in 1 year. And that may be freaking crazy for like the average person to have their mind around, because that's literally 10 posts a day per on each. That's literally 10 posts a day across their social networks every single day, and you can't miss a day. But when you're using Creator OS, it allows you to set up these automations, let's schedule all of these posts, and it allows you to let AI do all of this, and all you have to do is see it from an outside view. And so right now, we can see that my client is on pace to hit the goal of December 31st, 2026, and we're actually on pace to hit it 3 days earlier. And we have the same thing applying for the views heat map and the follower growth heat map. This can also be really beneficial for our agency users, because if you're onboarding like a UGC creator or you're teaming up with a different business and they want to see how you're performing or you want to see how they're performing, you can now show them this dashboard and everything's actually laid out perfectly. And you can actually use the goals to build agreements with your clients. So let's say this was a client that I onboarded and they weren't sure of my performance set because I just started working with them. Well, we can set a goal deadline, and then over time, we could just show them how this platform's performing. Now, another beautiful feature across both mobile and web is the content calendar. And this allows you to just see every single month what posts are going out when they're going out. And again, from a team perspective, if you need to review posts and approve posts, this is the best way to do it. And if you have agents that are creating content and scheduling content on your behalf and you don't know if they're good or not, this is how you can go in here and have some human approval or human in the loop workflows with your Kairos agent that's going to be creating all this content on your behalf. We're just going to briefly look at the post page really quick. We have 5 different types of content that we can post, and this is how you post manually. So if I wanted to post a tweet, we can post it to Twitter, Threads, LinkedIn, and Facebook all at the same time. We want to do photos, we get 5 platforms. If you want to do carousel posts, we get 5 platforms. If you want to do short form videos, we get all of the platforms. And if you want to do long form YouTube videos, we get 5 other total platforms that we can publish all at the same time. And you can then choose whether you want to post it now, schedule it, or just save it as a draft. So if you have your agents working on these workflows autonomously, you can actually just have them save them as drafts. And in that way, they'll never get uploaded by accident, and you can approve those drafts to get uploaded whenever you want. Now, the analytics tab is pretty new, and it's going to be evolving quite rapidly, but essentially, what it allows you to do is see your performance per platform. It also allows you to see your performance per metric. So we can see how our TikTok videos are performing. What is the most liked video? What is the most viewed video? What are the most recent videos that have been uploaded? And we can review all of that as well. And this allows us to just have an overview snapshot of the analytics. And we can always talk to our agents about this when we give our agent access to this platform. Now, the comments page is brand new, and it's very similar to the messages page where you can set up your agents to reply, like comments, delete, hide, all comments across all platforms that support it. And on this page, we're just showing you guys your posts, and we're showing you guys the comments that people have left. And so we can see here for my client, for example, like each post can be posted to multiple platforms at the same time. So for this post here, this little tip changed everything for our clients. It was posted to Facebook and Twitter. And this comments feed is comments from both of those platforms. And if your agent has brand information about your business or about your personal brand, then it can do all of this replying completely autonomously on your behalf. And this leads itself into the messages page, right? Because we have something called a comments to DM workflow. So if you were selling a product and you were creating a call to action to give them a free piece of value before they end up converting to your actual product, like you can then have a comments to DM funnel where you ask the user to comment, and then you can have your agent DM them the value and have them continue the conversation. Okay, so this is available across Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. If you integrate Reddit, we also support Reddit as well. And here we can also review all of the conversations, and it comes with the icon of the social network that the conversation is actually taking place, right? So you can have an agent responding to the comments and an agent actually continuing the conversation in the messages. Now, those are all the manual features that the traditional social media marketers like you and I can click around and actually do things ourselves. And in the future videos, I'm going to show you how you can take things to a whole new level and how we are doing it internally. Our agent access to literally all of our social networks, and we're running automations to scale our marketing operations without us having to sit at our computer. And in that way, it allows us to just be more productive. And that is what we're going to be showing you guys in the next video. Because at this stage, you would have everything set up. You would have all of your socials connected. You would have the ability to then start training your agent on the comments and messages, and you can start building content pipelines, which is a whole nother chapter that we're going to introduce you guys to. And if you want to get started, then all you have to do is head over to the settings page. Obviously, the community is going to have tons of information, and my YouTube channel, megan.creatoros, is going to have a ton of information and workflows in there as well. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next tutorial.